children, this video is for class 8, lesson number 1, rational numbers. When children will read the heading itself rational number, they think that it will be very difficult. But after seeing this video, you will find that this lesson is very easy. In this video, you will learn to define a rational number, to express the rational number in standard form, to compare the rational numbers. But before moving further, first we will call few terms. First is natural numbers. What is natural number? A set of counting numbers is called as natural numbers. It is denoted by capital N. Means children, when we do the counting, that time we start the counting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. So it is denoted like this. N is equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. That means there is no end for the natural numbers. Next is whole numbers. Now what are the whole numbers? A set of counting numbers including 0 is called as whole numbers. It is denoted by capital W. Means here in this set, all the natural numbers, it comes along with the 0. So it is denoted as W is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. There is no end for the whole numbers. Next is integers. Now what are the integers? A set of positive numbers, negative numbers including 0 is called as integers. It is denoted by capital I or capital Z. So here in the bracket I have shown all the integers. I is equals to here -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And here both the side I have shown here dots, means there is no end for the positive numbers and negative numbers. Children, here you can observe this circle. This circle I have made how many parts? 4 parts. So the number of parts here I have done 4 parts, and here one part I have removed, I have cut. So if I ask number of parts left is equals to how many? So here 3 upon 4, and how many parts I have removed? So it is 1 upon 4. So here 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4 are the rational numbers. So what is a rational number? A rational number is a number that can be expressed as P upon Q, where P and Q are both are the integers. What I am saying, both are the integers. Integers means it will be positive number or negative number. But the one condition is Q is not equal to 0. Means Q should not be 0. You should remember that all integers are rational numbers because denominator Q can be 1. Yes, 0 is also a rational number which is neither positive nor negative. Now children, if I say is 5 is a rational number? Yes, 5 is also rational number because 5 can also be written as 5 upon 1. Next, now types of rational numbers. There are 2 types of rational number. One is positive rational numbers. The number itself tells us that when the numerator and denominator have the same sign, that time we can say it is positive rational number. How? Here in example I have shown minus 2 upon minus 3. This minus negative sign will get cancelled. So 2 upon 3. And here it is positive 5 upon positive 7. So it is a positive rational number. Next is negative rational numbers. What are the negative rational numbers? If numerator and denominator have different sign, then they are called as negative rational number. Example, now here in the numerator it is negative 2, negative integer, and the denominator is positive. So the rational number is negative. Now in the second example, the denominator is negative and the numerator is positive. But the overall it is negative rational number. That means when the numerator and denominator have different sign, it is negative rational number. But one thing you should remember, always when you represent the rational number, you should give the negative sign to the numerator. Now here few examples we will see. Express minus 4 upon 11 as rational number with denominator minus 44. Now here first we have written the given example minus 4 upon 11. What do we want? The denominator as minus 44. So what you should do? This minus 44. Leave about the sign. 44 you should divide by 11. Then quotient will come 4. But we want minus 44. So to the numerator and the denominator you should multiply by minus 4. So here minus 4 into minus 4, 16, and 11 into minus 4, minus 44. Got it? The next is 209. So here first write the given example. So minus 4 upon 11 is the given example into. Now here first we will write 209 to the denominator place. Now 11's table, if you see 209, it won't come directly. So what you have to do? Divide 209 by 11. Then you will get the quotient 19. Now here to the denominator place, it is positive integer. So what you have to do? You should multiply the numerator and denominator by 19. So you will get minus 76 upon 209. The next example, express 5 upon 7 as a rational number with the numerators minus 30. Now here children, we have to represent the numerator with minus 30. What you should do? First write the given example 5 upon 7. Now after writing 5 upon 7, numerator place first write down minus 30. Now here the numerator is a negative sign. Now 5's table is very easy. How many 5's are 30? 6 are. But numerator is having negative sign. So you should multiply numerator and denominator by minus 6. So answer is 5 into minus 6 minus 30, 7 into minus 6 minus 42. The next is 70. So write the given example as it is 5 upon 7 and here numerator 70 upon what it is we don't know. That is the question. Now in 5's table 70 won't come. Directly it won't come. So what you have to do? 70 divided by 5. Then you will get the quotient 14. So multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. And when you will multiply, you will get 14 7s are 98. Next, Comparison of rational numbers. So you have to compare, means which is the greater and which is the smaller. For this, what you have to do? Express each rational number with positive denominator. Find LCM of the denominators. Write the given rational numbers with the LCM as common denominator, and the number having greater numerator is the greater. So here we will see the example. Now minus 7 upon 9 or 3 upon minus 5. Which one is the greater? By only observing we can't tell which one is the greater. So what we have to do? First find the LCM of 9 and 5. So LCM of 9 and 5 is 45. Now write down minus 7 upon 9. Multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. Now here LCM is 45. So here you should multiply 9 5s are 45. And here 7 5s are 35. And this negative sign. Now next number 3 upon minus 5 into numerator and denominator you should multiply by the same number. 9 upon 9 is equals to 27 upon minus 45. As I told, that rule is you should not write this minus sign to the denominator plus. So how you should write? Minus 27 upon 45. Now minus 27 upon 45 and minus 35 upon 45. Here the denominators are same. Now compare which one is the greater. Now you should remember that when you write the negative integer, the smaller value for the negative integer, listen carefully children. So the negative, when the case of negative integer will come, that time the smaller the number is, the greater the value. So here minus 27 upon 45 is the greater rational number. Now therefore the original rational number, what it was before making the denominator same, before finding the LCM? Yes, it was 3 upon minus 5. So 3 upon minus 5 is greater than minus 7 upon 9. Now next is standard form of a rational number. What is standard form? It is also known as the lowest form of rational number, where P and Q have no common divisor other than 1 and Q is always positive. So here by seeing the example you will understand. Find the standard form of 12 upon minus 16. Now what you have to do? 12 upon minus 16. You should divide the numerator and the denominator by the highest common divisor, that is the 4. So when you divide the numerator and the denominator with the highest common divisor, that time you will get here 3 upon minus 4. And what rule I have told? The negative sign it should given to the numerator. So what will be the final answer? Minus 3 upon 4. And further it is not divisible because they don't have the common divisor other than 1. So what is the standard form? Minus 3 upon 4 is the standard form of 12 upon minus 16. Now next example we will see minus 48 upon 60. So here the highest common divisor is 12. So when you divide the numerator and the denominator, you will get here minus 4 upon 5. So minus 4 upon 5 is the standard form of minus 48 upon 60. Next is minus 36 upon minus 81. So here which is the highest common divisor? Yes, 9. So when you divide the numerator and denominator by 9, you will get here minus 4 upon minus 9. Now children, if you observe, the both numerator and denominator have negative sign. So the negative sign will get cancelled and the final answer will be 4 upon 9. So 4 upon 9 is the standard form of minus 36 upon minus 81. So I think you might have enjoyed this video and it will be helpful for you.